everyone, and welcome to our instructional video on how to send a support ticket in AB Quantum. So from the navigation bar here at the bottom, if you simply tap the center icon and hit support and then hit yes, it's going to send us a support ticket. Please make sure that you tap here and you type in what is wrong in as much detail as you possibly can, because we need to know what's going on. When you send this support ticket in, we need to know what you're seeing, etc. But when you're done, you can just hit that button and it will send the support ticket off to us. You can do that from any screen, by the way. If I'm on the shoot menu, you'll see there's the support icon. If I'm on the profile menu there, you'll see the support icon exists. So you can access that from anywhere that you need to in the app. But should you run into trouble, sending a support ticket and getting help really is that simple. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.